This video will show you how you can add or create a contact in Xero accounting software. So here I am on the dashboard. We need to go to contacts, which you should see on this top banner. Click on contacts, then go to all contacts. Now here you see any existing contacts that you've created. This is a demo account, so there are already some contacts on. Now you need to go to new contact in the top right hand corner, and then from here you can enter in all of the details you have about that contact. So let's say this contact is John Smith. We can then enter an account number. This is going to be the account number for your reference, so we'll just put J Smith. This will make it easy to actually find them. And then here you've got all of this other additional info. You've got their email, you've got their business information, including their phone number, website, company registration number, and if they are already a registered company, you can find it and you can just add them. Any notes that you need to have on their account you can put here, and you've also then got their billing address. So if you go and enter in manually, you can type in their address, or you can search through a UK or whatever country you're in's address. Then we've got other stuff like the financial details. Go ahead and enter in their bank name here, sort code, bank account number, and you don't have to enter in any of these really, just whatever is useful and relevant for you and your contact. And when you're done, click save and close in the bottom right hand corner, and it will add that person as a contact. So here we can see we've got John Smith with the account number J Smith. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.